Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly flat against yesterday's close at 10,867.91 as Lloyds Banking Group flagged pressures on UK mortgage rates. The Euronext 100 added 0.08% and the German DAX rose 0.33%, with European shares on track for their best week since June on strong corporate earnings. On Wall Street, the Nasdaq Composite closed down at 26,348.35 and the S&P 500 slipped to 7709.96 as investors eyed upcoming US labor data. In company news, Sanderson Design Group posted a 6% rise in the first half revenue on US expansion and stronger online sales. Oxford Biomedica cut its 2026 revenue guidance despite strong client growth, and shares fell sharply. On currencies, sterling was little changed against the dollar and euro, edging marginally higher against the yen, Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Bitcoin rose against the pound. In commodities, copper firmed while gold, Brent crude and natural gas eased back, with oil markets on edge amid tensions around the Strait of Hormuz. That's your market open. I'm Dave Pinnell. Have a great Friday.